Okay, so this is the Furiden Beauty, and it's the straightener. And I got this because my mom comes and visits all the time, and she's like, "Do you have a straightener?" And I'm like, "No, I don't, because I'm a guy, and my hair does not need it." But let's check out and see what's inside here. So we have a book, and the book explains how everything's done if you haven't used a straightener before, which I haven't. But let's check it out here. It comes with a nice brush. Ooh, that brush feels nice. See, even that works on me. And then we have the straightener. Oh, there's another little book here about tips and tricks. And then so the straightener has a little plug on the end of it, and we'll plug it in here, just see what lights up and stuff on it. I won't be able to do too much because I don't know how it works, but it's got a little lock on there. And it's got a Velcro, which is nice, so you can kind of tie up the thing, but it's got the little lock, so we can unlock it, and then it opens up. And you can see the plates are pretty decent size, so we'll be able to do that. And then the off and on button, and you can see, if you see it on there, it's got the temperature, and it's going up. It's 120, 130, 140, and it is heating up. So that's pretty nice that it tells you the temperature as it's going, and I think you just rotate it to set the different temperatures. So it's pretty nice. It's a fancy one, and it feels really, really, ooh, that's pretty hot. I can turn it off. There. And it's pretty hot, but it feels really durable, and it's gonna last. It's gonna last a long time, and you're gonna burn yourself if you touch it, because I had it on and I'm not straightening my hair. But it seems like a really nice item, and I showed it to my mom a little bit earlier, and she's like, "Oh, it's perfect." So this will be great.